Want to remove apps connected to your Gmail account? In this video, I'll show you how to unlink Gmail from apps and protect your Google account privacy in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Gmail or any Google app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap Manage your Google account. Scroll down until you find Linked Apps. You'll now see all apps and websites linked to your Gmail or Google account. This may include games, social media apps, productivity tools, websites using Google Sign-In. Tap the app you want to unlink, then tap Delete all connections or Remove access. Confirm your choice. The app will no longer have access to your Gmail or Google account data. Repeat the same process for any apps you no longer use or trust. Removing unused apps improves account security and privacy. You can also unlink apps using a computer. Open your Google account page. Go to Security and tap on Third-party apps with account access. Remove any unwanted apps from there after unlinking an app. You may be signed out. Some app features may stop working. You'll need to reconnect if you want access again. Only remove apps you no longer need for better protection. Enable two-factor authentication. Review connected devices regularly. Avoid signing into suspicious apps with Google. This helps keep your account safe. And that's how to unlink Gmail from apps step by step. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more Gmail privacy and security tips.